In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design eye-catching YouTube thumbnails using Canva, and we'll do it all in just 5 minutes. Canva is a fantastic tool for creating high-quality visuals without needing extensive design skills. So let's dive in and get started on making those thumbnails pop. The first thing you'll want to do is open Canva. Once you're there, in the search bar at the top of the page, simply type thumbnail. This will bring up a wide variety of templates specifically designed for YouTube thumbnails. These templates are a great starting point, allowing you to create professional looking thumbnails quickly and easily. With your search results in front of you, the next step is to select a template that matches your style or the theme of your video. Canva offers an array of designs, so take a moment to scroll through and pick one that stands out to you. Remember, your thumbnail should reflect the content of your video and grab viewers' attention, so choose something vibrant and engaging. Once you've selected a template, click on it and you'll see an option to customize this template. Click that button and the template will open in the edit interface. This is where you can really get creative and start making the template your own. Now let's focus on the text. Click on the text elements within the template to start editing. You'll want to replace the existing text with something that describes your video in a catchy way. Keep it concise and make sure the font is bold enough to be legible at a glance. You can change the font type, size and color to better match your brand's aesthetics or to make it stand out even more. Next, let's add some personal touches by updating the images. On the left hand side of the screen there's an option labeled Uploads. Click there and you'll be able to upload your own images. These could be screenshots from your video, your logos or any other relevant graphics. Once you've uploaded the images, you can simply drag and drop them onto the canvas to replace any images within the template. This will make your thumbnail distinctly yours. As you adjust these elements, pay attention to the overall balance. A well-designed thumbnail has a good mix of text, imagery and blank space to keep it appealing yet informative. Make sure all the elements are aligned well and that the key information is easily visible. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've transformed a plain template into a captivating YouTube thumbnail. With practice, this process will become even quicker and you'll be able to create unique designs that help your videos stand out in no time. Thanks for tuning in and happy designing.